Alright, in this tutorial I will be showing you how to add health system. Now first of all, I name this as floor, but it will not take the name floor because floor is already inbuilt in this construct too. So the floor, you cannot use the name floor, or you cannot use any name which is inbuilt. So let's rename it as ground, not frowned but ground. Now this will work. Alright, now I'm going to add a health system. So basically now what happens is that the player gets destroyed instantly. The player gets killed instantly. When it touches the enemy, it gets destroyed. I wanted to have a health system, like when the health reaches 0, then only my player will be getting destroyed. So I will add one global variable, call it health, and initialize the value to 100, not 1000 but 100. Alright, now what I want is that I will add one text box, or actually I can use this particular text box, set text to score display. Okay, I will just use this particular text box for this tutorial. Sorry for all the background noises, sorry for that. Alright, so this particular text box displays coins collected as coin, then it will also display, or rather I want it to display health space and then it will display health. Alright, now it should display health. Let's see. I think I need to resize the text box a little bit more. Yes, now you can see the health is being shown. However, it will not get decreased, or it does not really have any function other than just showing the health. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is that I want that when my player collides with the enemy and it is not falling, basically it is not killing the enemy, then I want the health to get decreased. Not this one. I do not want the player to get destroyed but my health to get decreased. So subtract from health, let's say 10. Alright, so now if you will see, when a player collides with health, I mean with the enemy, it gets decreased. However, even if it gets below 0, nothing happens. My player leaves. So I need to add another condition. Actually, I will add one sub condition over here, that add a sub event. Sub event is that compare variable. When my health is greater than 0, when my health is greater than 0, I want this. I want to subtract 10 from the health. Also, in every tick, one condition must be added. This add another in the sub event, compare variable. If my health is less than 0, then set value of health to 0. So basically, if my health gets to negative or it becomes less than 0, then it will automatically be set to 0 so that it does not go to a negative value. And same thing, when my health is greater than 100, then set my health to 100. Alright, this is done. Alright, so let's concentrate on this one now. So if the player collides with the enemy and it is not falling, and if the health is greater than 0, it will subtract 10 from health. However, all right, let's see. This should also be in the tick event. Actually, the death of the player should actually be in the tick event. If the health reaches 0, so I will just add another sub event. If my health gets less than, or actually less than or equal to 0, basically it will be setting to 0 anyways if it gets less than 0. So less than equal to is the safer side. The bugs will be less, or rather it will be a more cleaner code, or a good code, or a better code, whatever you want to say. Alright, health is less than equal to 0, then set the value, then player get destroyed. Let's check this out. Alright, now you can see health has got 9, health is getting decreased. Fine. Yeah, it gets destroyed when my health reaches 0. Fine, it should work properly. Now let me check the time. It's just 6 minutes, 7 minutes, I guess. Okay, now I'm actually thinking of adding health bar instead of just showing the health, but I'm just thinking, should I just do it in this video because it will take some time, or should I do it in my next video? I can add something else in this video, but I don't know what to add, honestly. So I think I'll just keep this video short and simple, and the next video I will be adding health bar. Instead of showing the health, I will be showing health bar, and it will be, and my health bar video will actually be divided into 2 parts. One will be a simple health bar and another will be advanced health bar, and you will see the difference when I will make this video. So I will be having to, like, advanced health bar is really cool. I have done that before and it really looks cool. So first I will teach you how to make simple health bar and then the advanced health bar. So stay tuned for these videos. That's it for this video. Goodbye.